Hello traders, take advantage of the market with our Bos Trader technical tool. This special technical tool analyzes the market for you. Let us show you the best strategy for this tool. Let's dive into it. Wait for the AOI zone of interest to be created. Watch if a delta divergence has occurred in the zone of interest. If not, we consider this zone as invalid. We are still waiting for the creation of another zone of interest. We identify the delta divergence that must occur at the point of interest as a confirmation of entry into the position. We enter the position in the zone of interest, locate the nearest liquidity on the market as our target, and place the stop loss below the liquidity sweep area. After the liquidity sweep, we are waiting for the creation of another zone of interest, where there is an opportunity to sell, where we can target the nearest remaining liquidity. Thanks to our technical tools, you can see a real example of how the market really works. After choosing the main liquidity, we wait for the next creation of the zone of interest. If we see a delta divergence in the zone of interest, nothing prevents us from entering the market. We place the stop loss above the liquidity areas. We place the take profit at the nearest liquidity on the market. As you could see, our technical tools are a real game changer in the trading industry. Don't miss the chance to buy our technical tools on Patreon at unique prices. This tool will blow your mind. Leave us feedback on how this tool helped you. Have a great day and see you in profit at the end of the day.